Here's how to send money from Western Union to India. So first head over to westernunion.com or download and open the app on your phone. From there, if you already have an account, simply sign in. If you don't have one, just create your account. It will only take a few minutes. Then after doing that, you will get to a list of countries similar to this one right here. Now from here, you can just find India, although what's easier is just going to the search bar here and typing it in. Then here click on India and then click continue. Now from here you can actually choose how much you want to send and how you want to pay for it and how the money should be delivered to your recipient. Now for example, I will send 100 Canadian dollars and I will pay for it with my bank account. Then here you can see how much the recipient will receive in Indian rupees and you can choose how the money will be delivered to them. So you can select a cash pickup, UPI or a bank account. Now you will see on all of these, on your first transfer there are no fees. Now for example, I'm going to go with a bank account and click continue. Now here you can select your recipient if you already have one, or you can add a new one. But for example, I'll go with this recipient and click continue. Now adding a recipient is very easy. All you need to do is this. So add their legal first name, then their last name, and then optionally you can add their mobile number, email address and middle name, or you can leave that blank and click continue. Now from here, enter the receiver's address information and again click on continue. Now here at the receiver's bank information, although from here you can still switch to UPI if you prefer, or here at the bottom you can also click change delivery method to pick something else. So just select their bank from here, then at the IFSC code, account number, then account number again, and the purpose for the transfer. Then after doing all of that, click continue, then add your own payment details, then review that all the details of the transfer are indeed correct, and if they are, go and confirm the transfer by paying for it, and then you have successfully sent the money to India. So now you know how you can send money from Western Union to India. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.